Hey, it's Dave. Welcome back to Spectrum DIY. I was watching Look Mom No Computer live stream and then kind of ran out of solder and swapped over to Big Clive's live stream. And while listening to it, I managed to get all 20 oscillators hooked up to their respective spots. So that will look roughly like this. Right? And then I got all the buttons wired. Let me bring you around. I got all the buttons wired. I got to hook the power to them. And then the next step is going to be to go from the audio input into here. And from here, I can control it being on and off. So I'm really looking forward to it. I've made a lot of headway. I'm still waiting on some switches here. The guy that I bought those things, he sent me a whole bag of stuff to fix because one of them was missing. I'm like, you are awesome. I appreciate that. Uh, but really, I'm just making headway best I can. I'm still waiting on a power supply. I'm waiting on the VCO chips that are going to go across the top here. I'm waiting on some more solder. I ran out of solder and I ran out of wire actually. So I'm out of a lot of things. I might just be dead in the water after this project. And I'm also waiting on some more resistors. I think I'm going to run out of resistors before I finish this project. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys the update. I know it's not a very long video. It's not a lot to see, but this is what it's looking like so far. I've got all the buttons wired. I've been sitting here. I had Look Mom No Computers live stream back here in the back. Sitting here like, please, just keep working. Don't run out of solder. Don't run out of solder. I ran out. I ran out. And now I gotta go get buttons. Not buttons. I gotta go get uh food. Food is what I need. I've been working too hard. I will see you next time. I can't wait. The Halloween spooky synth box is nearly complete. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hopefully this will be through by like next weekend. I'm hoping to have it. It better be through before Halloween. I want to play this for Halloween. That's gonna be fun. So anyway, until next time, y'all have a good one.